So in last session we have seen how to create virtual environment, how to activate that, how to work in that, and how to deactivate that. Now in this session we are going to see how to create requirements.txt file. So you can give any name of that file, but it should be requirements.txt because it is that file is used for deployment of project. So for that I will create here now new terminal. So now first we need to activate this virtual environment. For that we have to go in this virtual environment folder. So now I am running this activate script. So now your script is activated. So if you are getting error whenever you are activating this, the script is disabled, so such error you are getting, so you have to solve that error. For that also I have created one folder. So description, in description I will give link for that video, right? So now I have activated that virtual environment. Now I will come out of that folder now. So now I want to create requirements.txt. So what is requirements.txt? So there are some dependencies of your project, means whatever modules, packages or frameworks you are installing, so those are the dependencies, and you want exact versions of those dependencies. So it is not like that manually you are creating files, so we need to automate that task. So for that we are going to use one command, and requirements.txt file will get created. So what is the command for that? Pip freeze, pip freeze greater than symbol, and requirements dot txt. So it is requirements dot, so requirements.txt file will get created. So if I press enter, so now automatically this requirements.txt file is getting created. So now if I click on this file, so I am getting all dependencies of my project. So Django we have installed, so that's version is mentioned here, and these remaining dependencies are there, so these are needed for this Django. So that's why those are also getting installed, right? So in this way you can create a requirements.txt file. So one more use of this requirements.txt file is there. So for example, you have another project which is having same dependencies like P1 project. So what you can do, you can use this requirements.txt file to do installation in that project also. So what I have told you, so whether you are working on single project or multiple project, so for each project you have to create separate virtual environment. So for P2 project, so you can install all the dependencies same, like P1 dependencies, and if it is having another dependencies, those also you can install in P2's environment, right? So you can use one project's requirements.txt for installation in other projects. So that we will see in our next video, right? So in this way you can create this requirements.txt. So now I am done with this. I will deactivate this virtual environment, right? So we have seen here how to create requirements.txt file. In next video we will see how to use this requirements.txt of one project in another project for dependencies installation, right? So thanks for watching the video, and if you like content of my channel, please subscribe and press bell icon to get notification.